Hi everyone, myself Rekha, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. So today we are going to discuss about the topic networking calculation. So in the course, discrete structure and optimization technique. Okay. So let us see what is mean by network calculation. So before calculating the network calculation, we have to know critical path. What is mean by critical path? Critical path is nothing but finding the longest duration. So in order to find the critical path, we have to know the two types of calculation. One is early start and latest finish. So first of all, we have to construct the network in this problem. That is, network represent the project completion and also to find the required time estimates. So what is the time required to complete the project, we can easily identify using the network. So what is meant by early start, what is meant by latest finish? Early start is nothing but forward pass, whereas the latest time is nothing but an backward pass. Early start is nothing but uh, maximum value ES plus TIJ. So first of all, ES is nothing but an earliest finish, early start time, and we have to find the maximum value and then we have to add with the TIJ. TIJ is nothing but the duration of the time. In order to calculate the early start, let us consider one network example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 nodes are there, means we have to go with the forward pass. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then maximum value ESI plus TIJ we have to find. This is the early start time. If you go with the latest finish, means we have to go with the backward calculation. Backward calculation is nothing but finding the backward value, that is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like that we have to calculate. This is nothing but finding the minimum value, that is minimum value LS minus TIJ. In each node we have to find the early start time and as well as the latest finish time. After completing this latest start and earliest finish time, we have to connect the network and easily we can identify the critical path. Critical path is nothing but longest duration. After finding the expected duration, we have to check all the routes. For example, 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and another value is 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5. So you have two expected duration, means for first line if you got the 25 weeks, for the second line if you got 21 weeks, means we have to take the longest duration, that is 25 weeks. So that is the critical path. This helps us to find the early start and as well as the latest finish time. After determining this, we can easily find the critical activities and difference between the latest time and early start represent the slack or the total float for this problem. So there are some of the rules are there to find the network. First of all, we have to construct the network. Then we have to find the early start time, latest finish time. After calculating that, we have to prepare a table. This table helps us to find the normal time, earliest start time, latest finish. Using the earliest start, we can find the earliest finish. Using the latest finish, we can find the latest start time. So this helps us to find using the TIJ. If you add the TIJ with the ES plus TIJ, you will get EF. Whereas LF is nothing but subtracting LF minus TIJ, you will get LS. So this is the simple calculation you have to observe in that, and based on the simple calculation, you can find the latest time determined using the time estimates, and also slack variables also you can identify. So the double line, after finding the largest value and as well as the longest duration, the network should be represented by a double line arrow mark. This helps us to identify the critical path. We have a lot of path are there, but the double line codes the critical path in that method. Okay. Then the even float also you can easily identify using that. Even float is nothing but subtracting the latest finish minus ES, you will get an even float. And you have the activities also. There are the three types of activity: total float, free float and independent float. So in the next video we can say how we can find the how to find the float, free float, independent float. So you have the some of the formulas are identified in that identified in that. So this help us to easily find the total float and as well as the free float. So thank you so much for watching this video. So next video we can see how to find the float, etc. Thank you, ma.